Andra, may the breaking news be Ebremo. Me mamoti asese woko Ashanti region. Yes, Subin constituency to be very specific. Abrante bia ye friend no Linford Owo. We free ya. Now, this is just an update to that particular story. And see better us on the subscribe and click the notification bell no and no another screen so see we understand latest news biaba once ebeka. So one story now. Abrante bia friend Linford Owo. Or you're very popular, ewo Kumase. A dear ye tie a defend pan a CD. Dress will be our say, wo ye Kumase, and I will ye Kumase ni, I will Kumase, I will nim politics, and I said it, will nim a matchun sem, and this uncle for now. Unim, only cry a friend CD. Now, Oyobia, staunch NDC supporter, Tresse one for NDC cry in Diagro. Tresse, Memamotias, yes, Embrana, a year. Abrante friend Apia Stadium embra na wo MPP a wo kasa etia NDC kese e wo radio so no yelling for the way and I just wokochi Apia Stadium a just wo mo bo na wo mo share the car a police case but later Apia Stadium be train case no every police for omo di kofi omo koto Apia Stadium ne car no ema no and Apia Stadium ne selling for the way better than na for pa and nam selling for the way sui Emma Apia Stadium obedane NDC ni na to say at least if for nothing at all krana selling for the way or ya there you say wo boa che say eba NDC nsem de won friend dia agro wo hwe na wo kasa etia NDC a esan say wo ye match a wo no so e wo match for you say ono oni gym wo di agro na wonim na wo ko cancer no wan kan ya or the nebufu show ebeba so. I'm not saying that is something that is good, but what would him say Ghana has a will be war. That's not the time for you to come and talk about the bad things the person actually did. Obviously, he did some good things. Now, at year 4, and Rame the Brow said, send you know, very, very mysteriously. Dear yen yet say, and a reporter answer a kind of say, now we war, what need them. But the police have actually come out to speak on this particular thing. Say yeah. Womuko hu ne body e woni dem. Womo say Sunday to Friday no. Na to say womu enhu no. Womu ehun say ne car e park e we nim ho. But womu friend e woni phone so a womu nsa enka no. Womu friend na womu nsa enka no. Na womu say e dey na esi. Abranche 7 previous wo ko baby an wo pie akọ baby a ya friend na wo peke na wone yen ekasa ati ase na say ya friend na yen san kan de che say emu onrem kakra nti ho na wo mokọ eye ne dan ho na wo mokọ ne dan ho no mu say ase sense bi pf ni dem ho otu mu say sense bi pf wo no say we there nti wo bi de nani ekotete window ni no hu say ase once na so e wo room ho no say die kwai die dabi bebi eyedui enye nti wo bia se na ete no na afi wo bia bohu wo bia sro nti no one could enter the room nti de omo be ne se wo mo be free police for abomo amane se ni na eko ne kre wo mo free police for abomo amane na police for eba ho wo mo bu do na no mo hu se se abrante we vu a trese ne honam kra pro nti asem de eye Monday ahomache ana ye beka se eye Monday na asem ni si ya nkrofo no free police for Emma eba nti no semia na wewu eda mpa so ne honam pro an once na egugu ne so no aposifo esusu se ebia Sunday kra na wobu ye because nkrofo can say from Sunday no mo sha se wo mo free na wo mo nsa enka no nti o mo susu se dabi semia ne ho pro no omudu mu ni hwa Sunday na semwe esiye na police for epejano na trese wo mode no ekọ eye konfanochi wo mode no ko wa na trese pathologist ye ka se pathologist a trese wo bia wo hwe dead bodies ehwe se edie na ekun se ni pakronti pathologist ehwe mu a trese report enyamba bontin ema yenhu die ekun ne pote. That report is not yet out. But the police for Eka and they've actually launched investigation into his mysterious death. Woman person make us we be away ne kun pathologist the end ba woman kasa investigation ni ya hye because say na wo wu ye no che say e yan crofo won yare won yeshe che say like a lot of people, some people are even saying say Ebiana was standing as a year MP no because senior meeting can tell no Ashanti region unim say was standing as MP na or MPP for side and I will be winning or NDC for side it's hardly say will be winning but a branch way ya branch bia senior waji din ewo area nim wono ankasa wo macho men wono ankasa etumi organize boys ene nyama no area mofuo no enim no yie nti wo yes wo stand no na afei nkrofo ka say we die se ne wo ne MPP fo ewo area nim kra eye free no wo munim no ebu no na ebi mo kra yo maje so meto ama no so some people were even thinking say we die obetumi a battle MPP for na wa G seat no efri omunsem so a lot of people were happy. It is a way mysteriously in 2020 on Wankasa ye posters any bibia say was standing for MP. Ya elected no say one no standing as a subin constituency no. A young for nyaka kan kofo ka say da bi we die. Omusu say politics. Na MPP Ashanti regional chairman friend the chairman won to me onokra babonti abekasa e wa asem we ho. Na wasi wono de ene ya wono chema wuntumi no wasi ya ene ya because wo hwe abrante ya friend CD na wo ye wono chema wuntumi na down for cra and so it tells you abrante no how connected he is in even Kumase ho because chema wuntumi cra say abrante no ye na down for wo say free in collaborate woni abrante we ya na di agrosa tre say abrante no ye na down for pa tre say enye easy na so chema wuntumi ye nia yenim se nia wo ye big about MPP Ashanti regional. Chairman to me were very big to the extent say even MPP for MPP our Ashanti region. I think Bantama MP was a day. Okoto ye epa Chairman to me cho. Say Chairman to me man and call on a post. It tells you how big Chairman to me is seen in Ashanti region. Onokra kasa branche we na down for pantre say na wone na in collaborate and na wo munyimbo mu and na wono de wakoda ne NDC ni wono so Chairman to me better than MPP ni. Inti ene yapan say na dan for ne film ya say and so it tells you that ya say inti no police for ehun say that be owo we there they have to launch investigation because this particular person no on say obi beka say so why are the police launching investigation normally this the normal practice and also this particular person will be na owodom or macho men one hwe ni ye na one so asem na no ye na bia ensem bi sei na bibi sei si a normally the obetia ni rumors bia wo beti na wo bia no akopa no na trese wo de akɔhye obi wo nipa ko na ye de ade na be hye wo sei bia wo na wo kun no wo be yi wa no se den kra enye ye obo sei sense abrante no nkrofo do no anase wo wodom ni nti no na wo bia afechi ebe diwo bone meanwhile na bia wo kra asem no wo nim ho hwe inti no eno ne nsema police for ede abeto yenum a yenso yede mamo they've launched investigation into the mysterious death of the MPP parliamentary hopeful Linsford Owo a friend aka CD ni dino no CD enye easy now I just want to read some comments from Ghanaians near here the Ghana for on this particular story. Asema will be can say, hey, we've started this year with this mysterious death again. Oh, Ghana police is really suffering because they have no and will not have any clue as to the one behind them. The Nipaku can say, hey, Ghana 2020 Yasha Sebium and Ancrofor Sebe Womu mysteriously. Ghana police Womu Brepan because a day we Womobe Kwa Kumwa Womu Hu Sebe Onipakwa. Say ye kohwem say ebia bobi ene ku na omu hu ni pakra with this anyambransa no and indeed it tells you Ghana has say one thing yes obi beka say media I trust the police and Ghana police told you omo yade but one thing I don't trust Ghana police was so yes say eba ye ewu hunsem in the sense assassination and I say ye ku obi a one thing I don't trust Ghana police because we share for a very long time. Me to me am records are a even for 20 years ago. Say yeba say nkrofo bi akobo obi tuo ekuomo a most of those cases no Ghana police into me and solve e ma ye nhu nipa kra odi sa nyambransem no. Nti ma serial killing always goes up because onim say oh serial killing me ko boni pa ko wetu ku na Ghana police for be ya wo mu hu ya rehosem ba mo nche ma comment box ni mo me da se